So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see what is recursion, what is recurrence relation and the types of recurrence relation. So now the first question arises that what is recursion? So in simple definition, the function calling itself in Java is known as recursion. So now another question arises that why we use recursion. So recursion is used to solve the complex algorithms in a simpler way. So now we will see what is recurrence relation. The relation that we make to solve the complex problems in a simple way is known as recurrence relation. And there are two types of recurrence relation. The first type is linear recurrence relation, and the example of this is Fibonacci numbers, and another type is divide and conquer recurrence relation, and the example is binary search. So now I'll explain you the recursion. How can we call a function itself? So now I'll open my IntelliJ IDE and I'll make a new Java class and I'll name it as numbered example, and then I'll make the main method, and then I'll make another method static void and print, and I'll pass an integer n, and then I'll shout n, and then I'll call this print function and n plus 1. I'll explain you why I written n plus 1, and if n equals to 5, then shout 5 and return, and then I'll print here 1. So I'll run this code first and then I'll explain you how it works. So it should print me 1 to 5 numbers. So now I'll explain you how it works. So first of all, I'll print 1 here, and then I'll call here print function. Then it will pass 1 and it will print 1 plus 1 2. Then it will pass 2. Then it will print 2 plus 1 3. Then it will pass 3 and then it will print 3 plus 1 4. Then it will pass 4 and it will print 4 plus 1 5. And if the value of n is 5, then it will print 5 and it will return it, and then our program is completed. So if I am not writing this condition, our program will keep continuing. So this condition is known as base condition.